In this video, what I'm going to show you is how to use Clerk. So Clerk is a user management platform here. As you can see, we essentially want to have some sort of authentication on our app. So we will be building a creator dashboard, which I have over here. First of all, with Clerk, you can see on the landing page here, it gives you everything that you need. So pixel perfect UIs in minutes, such as these ones here. We will go through them at the start. And then what we will do later on in this crash course is we will build our own custom UIs to handle all of this process over here. So our own sign up and sign in pages, along with our own functionality. So you can scroll down, you can see further information on what we use with Clerk. You can see here all of the features we have, along with session management, email, one-time passcodes, social sign-in, and a lot more things. We are going to be using the Next.js SDK in this build, and you can also integrate it with some databases like Supabase, Convex, and also Firebase, which I have done a lot on this channel already around Firebase, so you can plug that in. On top of this, you also have a solution for multi-tenancy. What I'm going to be doing is a separate video on this, but we will cover the basics and creating our custom UIs in this crash course. And then here are some testimonials that you can see. So what we're actually going to be building is this Creator Hub over here. So the tech stack used in this one is Next.js along with Clerk for authentication and Tailwind for CSS. We're using Next.js 15 as well. So what we have here is a Creator Hub. So here you can see it's a simple app demonstrating Clerk integration with Next.js app router. So essentially, at the end of this video, you can clone it as a starting point for creating your own authentication system. So if we click on sign up, first of all, we have this section here where you can sign up. You can also add in your Google login if you want to just sign up through that, or you can also click sign in. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to walk through the process of the sign up process. So you have your email address, your passwords, everything is verified. Then once you sign up, we have the email verification where we send a verification code to your email address that has a passcode in there. We have a new UI that pops up, and then we put in the passcode, and then you log in and you are able to see the dashboard that we want to see. So what we're going to do now is first of all sign in. So let's sign in with Google because we already are signed in. And then here we have our dashboard where we can see all of our information. If I was to go back into the Creator Hub, and now can click through to the dashboard, and I can also go to the profile page. This is the Clerk UI that we have. Again, you can enhance on this from the crash course. So you will learn how to add your own functionality in. So you can see here, this is the account dashboard over here where you can update the profile, add your email addresses, and this is the connected accounts. Again, you have security here, and you can also set a password as well. So let me just click back to the Creator Hub, go to the dashboard. I can see my information in here. I can also see the user profile in here as well. We can sign out through Clerk, or we have our custom own sign out button. So if you click sign out here, then you can go back to this page. So all of this you will learn in this crash course, plus more to do with server-side rendering with Next.js, how Clerk uses server-side and client-side rendering, and you can use the methods that are relevant to each one. So now we've covered all of that. What we're going to be doing is getting started with the build.